42-inch Wal-Mart ceiling fan that I purchased brand new. And it's brushed nickel with walnut finished blades. And it's the same fan that I installed in my older brother's living room, except his was bronze, and I have a video of that somewhere back in my history. I bought this just because I like the way it looks. And it works perfectly. Got the light kit with non-original compact fluorescent light bulbs. I gave the incandescent ones to Troy, and unfortunately I scratched one of the blades, but oh well. And it works fine. Here's high. And medium. And low. Doesn't move a lot of air. I mean, it's a 42-inch fan. It moves as much as my other 42-inch fans do, except the Hunter Embassy, which moves a lot more because it has a 172 motor. But you know, these are okay for what they are, I think. And off. It's got a good spin down time, but I really don't feel like waiting for it, so I'll stop it myself. Anyway, there's that fan. And then also maybe gonna say cheap crap, but whatever. Anyway, there's that video, and I hope you enjoyed.